And you know, Kaya is gonna look back and not even remember her first Christmas, but you know, just wanted to make it exciting and ask her anyway. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. Today is day 10. Had to think about it. Today's day 10. My nose looks mad dry. It's a little dry, but that's the weather. Almost 7:15 this morning, and Kaya just ate. She actually had a better night, I would say, this time. She was only up once. That was like at 12:30 last night, and then she went back to sleep by 1 o'clock after I gave her another feeding, and then she didn't get up this morning until about 6:30, 6:15, 6:30, which was nice. She's actually been trying to talk to me all morning so far with her little noises and sounds that she's been making. It's super cute. I've got to try to get it on video the next time she does it, but I've noticed since like around, I'd say since around Sunday, that she's been more talkative, if it makes sense, their version of talking. And then she's got the hiccups right now, so she keeps talking in between the hiccups. It's just so funny and cute. I'm gonna make some pancake batter. I've been wanting to make it, and I've just been too tired all week, so I figured today's a great day for me to make it, and since I'm already up, I'll make it right now. Anyway, I cut myself off, but this is my favorite recipe to use for vegan pancakes. Now, I am not a vegan, I'm not vegetarian, but I do like to try some plant-based alternatives for certain foods and things. I have ventured out a little bit with that this year. So, yeah, this is my absolute favorite recipe for vegan pancakes that I've found by Tasty. I mean, they make a lot of tasty-looking food and recipes anyway. I've seen a lot of their stuff through Facebook, and it's so good every time. Even my husband loves these, and he's not plant-based either. So yeah, I'm gonna make the batter right now, and then I'm going back to sleep probably. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. So Miss Kaya is here with me, and we're just gonna be a little more creative this time, and we are actually going to be going over our Christmas list for this year. You ready? You ready, Mommy? Yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. I guess we'll start with Miss Kaya. You know what you want for Christmas this year? What you want Santa to bring you this year? Maybe some toys that you can play with. Maybe some more books because you love stories and love reading. Yes? I don't want to say more clothes because you already have so many right now that we're still trying to get you through in outfits. Oh my gosh, you guys, like there have been so many clothing items that Kaya has received from family. Lots of family members have sent a lot of clothes for her, so I can only imagine what Christmas is gonna look like for those that have already contacted us that they're sending something for Christmas. So just for Kaya. You know, Kaya is gonna look back and not even remember her first Christmas, but you know, just wanted to make it exciting and ask her anyway. Yeah. So as far as myself, what do I want for Christmas? What don't I want for Christmas? No, I'm just kidding. I mean, when I was younger, growing up, yes, I used to have probably a bit larger of a Christmas list because Christmas is my favorite time of year, and I just always wanted so many different toys. And oh my gosh, I don't know about you guys, but growing up, my absolute favorite thing to get out of the newspaper, yes, I'm saying newspaper, was the big toy book that always came every year for like Christmas. Oh my gosh, I loved going through that and marking what toys I wanted. Like, oh, those were the days, you guys. Okay, so we're back. Someone got hungry and now is sleepy, so I think we'll just continue on with the video. But I think we were supposed to be talking about things that I would like to have for Christmas this year. So honestly, not a lot of things I have on my list. I mean, for one, I think I'm a little too old to have like 100 things on my Christmas list now. Actually, let me take that back. I don't think I ever had 100 items on my list when I was a child, but I know I asked for a lot of things growing up. Oh, one thing I said that I wanted to have was a few new makeup items that have recently come out that have caught my eye. I mean, of course, if I'm not gifted these things for Christmas, I obviously will get them myself because I am an adult. That's what I'll do. Raw Beauty Christie collaboration with ColourPop that just came out within the past few weeks. I really do like her collection that she designed with them. And I mainly just want the eyeshadow palette because the eyeshadow palette I'm obsessed with, and I more so do eye makeup and things than anything else. So I really would love to have that. Also, there's some like lippy product sets that they launched for the holiday season. Like you can buy like a vault or like a bulk of some of their lip products. I would like to have those. I'm kind of interested in the Makeup by Mario collection that is out with Sephora. The more I've been looking at his products and just really listening to his story behind how he got started in the makeup industry was very inspiring, and I really didn't know his full story till I watched like a little documentary or something that he was interviewed for. I watched earlier today, and I'm really interested to try some of his products and see how they work. Trying like Kim Kardashian's makeup line, or even her clothing and loungewear with Skims. Some of the pieces like I really do like, and I feel like I would really love and enjoy wearing them now because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So a lot of the loungewear pieces, like I totally could see myself wearing like on a daily basis. Another thing I mentioned is my planner for 2021. So I've decided I'm just gonna be committing and completely sticking with Day Designer once again. You guys saw I did some video series with my Day Designer I bought to use during my fall semester of college this year, and I bought it from Target. I just really fell back in love with Day Designer, and I feel like that continues to happen to me every time I go into using a different planner from a different brand and it's a different style or format from what I'm used to. I always want to go back to Day Designer. It's just very comfortable, and I really just love the format and setup that they have. The thing I had mentioned was I'm interested in starting up real estate as a career and an additional income source, and I just think it's a really great field to be growing and pursuing and investing into. And it's not cheap, like it is expensive to go into real estate, but of course this would just be to pay for like my classes. I guess I can kind of mark that off because my husband already said like if I really want to pursue it, he will go ahead and pay for me to start the classes. So thank you, hubby, ahead of time. That is pretty much my Christmas list of things I would like to have. I was also going to say a nice set of paint, like another set of paint. I mean, no, I haven't been painting much lately, but I don't know. The more I continue to see other people sharing their artwork online, the more inspired I feel to get back into painting and doing art as a way to pass time and just relax. I almost want to say Kate Spade because you can't go wrong with Kate Spade, and I love Kate Spade. And for some reason, like they've been doing a surprise sale for like several weeks now. The pair of Toms with the memory foam is another bonus item. I think that's gonna be it for today's Vlogmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure you are subscribing to my channel because now we're aiming for 500 subscribers. Thank you so much again to those of you that have subscribed and helped reach our goal of 250. I love you all very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.